After visiting Teo Hong Thai Ceramics, we've arrived at RS Ceramics in Ratchaburi, Thailand. We are here to look at the wholesale side of their operation, and then after go into the factory and look at some of their pottery processes. And now, let's head into the factory. Sawadee Ka. I think this is the warehouse. Can I go look?
But you cannot touch the pieces.
Okay, that's fine. I won't touch. Coffin cap. Coffin cap. Thank you. Thank you, copycat. Very nice lady, helping out. Sawadee Ka. Here's an artist's work. Wow.
100 handmade. 100% handmade by man.
Amazing. Wow. Great skill. What's your name?
Som.
Som. Nigel. This is Som. Say hello.
Hello.
You show me? Show us?
Yes.
Thank you, Som. Oh, here's another artist's work. Wow.
This part is painting.
Yeah.
You can take a look.
Yeah.
This side.
Very beautiful. Perfection. Yes, there's someone's very kindly giving us a little tour of this area. Here they are decorating.
As you can see, there are many.
Here's someone that's glazing. Looks like this guy's got some sort of press.
So this one, you pour plastic,
For clean.
okay,
Yeah. And we take it out to take
These are molds.
3 hours.
So this is slip casting.
Crayfish. clay mixed with pigment. This is blue.
Blue, yeah?
Yeah. And I adapt.
It's a stencil.
Yes,
That's a
yes,
stencil.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Right.
It's a dragon.
Yeah, yeah.
Dragon, and this you put on the jar.
Yeah.
And you.
I see. How interesting. Wow. Many different colors of clay. Red, green, blue, white.
White, pink,
Yeah. Pink. Oh,
yeah, light blue.
yeah, yeah.
Take the water from the
The clay.
clay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you had a thick one.
Yeah. That's interesting. So this is a press, a clay press, for taking the water out,
Yes.
reducing the water. Look. When he really gets stuck into that that bar to get as much press as possible. Here is the clay store.
Many types of the raw clay. Here is a ball clay, white clay.
So I'm saying there's many types of clay. So there we can see white clay.
In the first, the biggest price is 900.
Oh, 900, that's low.
And the second is grade 5.
I guess each one of these piles is a type of clay. Oh, look. A chicken with chicks.
Yes, what I see that. So it's a family business?
1 kilo.
So Som's grandfather came to Thailand from China
Very clever.
just after World War II,
We're from Australia, so
and it's a family-run business, and Som is a great-granddaughter.
and Trish is very bad. But English, very bad.
Add water.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the clay.
So
We suck
the
into
clay
the plate.
is mixed in here. The different types of clay is mixed in here, and
And we have a bottle in underwater.
right. Okay.
We stir and we suck this clay to the plate.
To the press. Oh, I see. So this is the mixing going on here. I guess this is what's called a mixing tank, and you can see the little motor on top there, and it'll rotate so that you're getting an even mix. And then from here, the clay will go through to the press, which we've just had a look at. Once again, here's the press. So, Eddie Cap. With the big pieces, what they do here is they decorate, and then once the pieces have been decorated, they're sent off to a kiln, because they've only got a small kiln here So they need to obviously get the bigger pieces done in a much larger kiln. So here's one of the kilns, and Song's telling me that this is powered by gas, Aline, and this one here, the smaller one, is electric. So here we have a guy in the wheel. Perfect.
I love this color. Oh. He is trimming.
Trimming, yeah.
That work.
Yeah. Here's a guy that's carving. Looks like some very skilled work.
So I saw on internet.
Sean was saying that 20, 30 years ago there was 100 factories here in Ratchaburi, and now today that's dwindled down to 20. Some of this stuff's quite kitsch. How dare I say that?